Hello everyone, I'm Laurel and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making some delicate heart earrings. The supplies you're going to need are UV resin, a heart-shaped earring mold. These I purchased at Michael's, and also a mold that has tiny little hearts in it. You'll need some pink or whichever color pearl beads, some pink mica powder, mixing bowl, and mixing utensil. You'll also need some earring posts, and I believe these are the 4mm, and then the earring backs. I'm just using the rubber backs for these, and some tweezers. So let's get started. To begin, you're going to need UV resin, a mixing bowl, mixing utensil, and the pink mica powder. And we're going to use the small heart mold. So first we're going to add some UV resin into the mixing bowl. And we're going to add a small amount of the mica powder to the UV resin. Just a touch because we just want it a very pale pink. And then mix it up thoroughly. Make sure that the mica powder is dissolved into the UV resin. And now I'm going to place small dabs of the pink resin into the heart mold. They're small, so a few dabs will fill it up. And now we'll cure for 60 seconds. Now that they're cured, I'm going to remove them from the mold. As you can see, it's a very tiny little delicate heart. And I'm going to make some more, so again I'm going to dab it into the heart mold. Once you're done filling the mold, then you can cure it for 60 seconds. Now that I've made all my hearts, I made 12 in total, so it's 6 for each earring. And now you're going to need your heart earring mold and your pearls. So what we're going to do is we're going to place the hearts into the mold. And then I'm going to space them evenly across the mold so that I can also put in the pearls. I know it's rather hard to see the hearts going into the mold because I have the pink silicone mat on the bottom and the hearts are so light pink that, it's hard to see them. So that's why I'm showing them here close up. And then I'm going to do the exact same process with the second heart earring. Now that you have all the hearts put into the mold, we're going to go on to the next step, which is putting the UV resin into the mold. We're just going to pour along the mold over the top of the hearts. You're going to fill it to the top, and you're going to do this to both earrings. I'm gliding the flame from my lighter over the mold to break up the bubbles in the resin. The next step is to place the pink pearl beads into the mold, and it'll be between the hearts. You will do this on both earrings, so you might want to take your time so you can put the pearls in a similar pattern so that the earrings match. Now that all the pink beads are in, here's a close-up. I know it's kind of hard to see because of the pink silicone mat, and I'm really sorry about that. Here, I'm just gliding the flame over the mold again. I'm just making sure all the bubbles are removed. And right here, I'm just using my tweezers just to move some of the beads around, just to make sure they're spaced properly. I see a few more bubbles that need to be removed, and then once they're removed, I'm going to cure this for 3 minutes. Now I'm going to use the resin and put a thin layer over the top of the mold, and it's just going to raise it up just a tiny bit above the mold. Now I'm going to cure it for another 3 minutes. Now that it's done curing, I'm going to remove it from the mold. It removed very easily, and look how pretty it looks. If there's any rough edges on these, you can always use a file and just file those rough edges off. Also, you could clip them with scissors, like a tiny pair of scissors if you need to. Now we're going to be adding the earring posts onto these, and you'll need a little glass tile and some sticky tack. And you just simply place the earring so the part where the earring post goes is level, so that when you put the post on, it won't slide off. So you got to make sure that it's straight across. Now I'm just going to place some UV resin into a mixing bowl. And right here I'm just doing a close-up shot so you can see it clear. And I'm going to use just a very fine paintbrush for this. And you're only going to need a very little amount in your mixing bowl. And I'm just going to dab a little bit on to the end of each earring. Make sure there's enough that'll hold the earring post. And I'm just going to place the earring post on there. And then I'm going to cure this for 60 seconds. Now that they're done curing, you can remove them from the sticky tack. And as you can see, they're very pretty. They're very delicate, very shiny. And now I'm just going to place the little rubber backing onto each of the earrings. If you enjoyed watching my video and you like it, please give me the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel and press that bell for notifications of my upcoming videos. Also, in the description box below, you will find a list of the supplies and where to purchase them. And you can find links to my artwork, photography, and my jewelry. Thank you again for watching. See you soon. Bye-bye.